cars? No, indeed. They're racing cars, model toy speedsters, run under their own power. Kid stuff? No, indeed, again, a man's sport. A hobby that started 10 years ago and today has 500 organized clubs with 20,000 members in the United States alone. This racing track is at Hornet Hobby Park, Fresno, California, and is 1/12 of a mile in circumference. Its guide rails enable the cars to race around the steep sides at very high speeds. The Speed Boys line up their toy motors at the starting mark. Their fuel is a very special treated high-test gasoline mixed with oil. On your marks, get set, and they're off in their race against time. And the owners return to the center of the arena for a better vantage point. Say, what speed? Actually, 100 miles per hour is frequently bettered. With stopwatches split to the 100th second, the timers accurately clock the speed and pick the winner. Say, you'd think she lost on the horses. The cars are stopped by holding a rag that hits a protruding rod which throws off the ignition switch. The speed record for model racing is 127 miles per hour. This is a real hobby, a genuine sport.